Yeehaw! Holy shnikes. It's 3 a.m. I think I'm delirious. It's been an incredible day. It's been a long day. It's your favorite wheel collectors. We got 2 basic cases in today, which I don't think that's ever happened before. I certainly don't remember it happening. It's been a long day. I'm going to pop open Q case for you. See what we got. Here we go. See if we can get a top down of the case. There you go. That's a good view of it right there. Okay. 3x3 today. Oh, snap. There we go. Check that out. This is a really nice pick right here. All 3 of these are brand new, it looks like. We got the custom 77 Dodge van in gold super chrome. That's cool. Oh, yes. Check this out. 67 Camaro Treasure Hunt. It's got the logo on the back. Boom. When was the last time we had a treasure hunt that good? Yep. Then we got the Nova Wagon Gasser in a recolor. First time that I've seen that color. Very cool. Next 3 cars are the Exotic, the Roadster, and the Piranha Terror, which we've seen those a couple of times now. The next 3 cars, 2 of which are new today. The TRex Troyer we've had before. The custom 18 Ford Mustang just came out, also in P case, but that is a sweet car. Golf. Definitely a highlight. Then we have the Fast Gassin'. It's pretty cool. It says, what does that say? 100 octane. 100% octane. Next 3 cars in the case. We got the High Beam. We got the Devore, which we've had before. And we got a brand new Skull Shaker with a gold guy in there. Check out that side tempo with the skull. The next 3 cars here. We've got the Mod Rod. That's new. Look at that. That's bad to the bone right there. Got like a rat rod on it. Sweet. We've got a new Quick Bite. That's cool. And we got another new car. Wow. We got a Shelby GT500. I personally like this one a lot. This particular casting. That's sweet. Got the flames on it. Next 3 cars. We've got the Tesla Model S. I'm sorry, Model 3, which was in the first case in red. Got a Kit Kart. And another High Beam. All of those were in P. Next 3 cars. Got another Mod Rod. We've got an Exotic. We've got the Ford Focus RS, which was also in P. The next 3 cars. We've got the El Viento. We've got the Diora 3. Got the Morris Mini. which was also in the previous case, the P case that we've done today. Next three cars, we got the Tesla Model 3, the Shelby GT500, and then we've got the Olds 442 W30 on the Monster Jam wheels again. The next three, got the Gulf Ford Mustang again. We got the Driftsta, and we've got that Lambo Roadster with the Italian stripes on them. The last six on the first layer. Oh, that's cool. Oh, all three of these are new again. Okay, so we've got the 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. We got the Ford Challenger drift car with the new Tampa on it. And then we got a green Roger Dodger 2.0. Okay, last three on the top layer. These look like they're new too. Okay, we've got the Ford Ranger Raptor. It's got some crazy Tampa on it. We've got the Dragon Tail. And we got the brand new Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh snap. Look at that, guys. That is a Super. Dude. We just got a Super in our case. Super? Yes. Check that out. Look at that paint. Whew. That is a sick car. It's got a little dust or something on the front of it. But wow. Cool. Wow, it's been a good day. Here we go. There's the top down of the bottom layer there. Here we go. We got the Porsche Panamera Police. We've got the Alpine A110. And then we got the Tune Up, that's new. The next three cars are the Bogzilla, the Mustang 2+2 Fastback, and then that Italian Roadster Lamborghini Hurricane. Oh, sweet. Lamborghini Hurricane. Look at that. Orange stripes down the top of it. The Dark Knight Batmobile and the Justice League Batmobile. Getting a little tight up here. 72 cars, unwieldy. Okay, we've got two HW Pursuits, which we've had before, and a Bogzilla, which we've had before. We've got the Police Porsche Panamera. We've got the Rising Heat. Then we got a recolor of the Chevy Nova wagon. That's cool. Okay, then we got two Track Rippers and a Kit Kart, which we've had. The next three are the Z-Rod, which we've had. The Diora 3, which we've had. And it looks like we got a recolor of the Nomad. One of the most classic cars right there. Oh, it calls itself a classic. Classic 55 Nomad with the speed shop on the side. the next three. There's 2 rig heats, which we've seen that. This is interesting. Check out the 68 Mercury Cougar color. You guys see that? It's got a nice little, right on the back there, it's got a nice little skull. That's sweet. Almost done with the queue. There's the Fastback again. Oh, new color of the 69 Dodge Charger. And then the Morris Mini that we've had. Next three, the Aston Martin Vulcan, which is just absolutely blazing. That one is also in P, however. Check that thing out. Anyone want to drive the Vulcan? I think I could take it for a spin. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so we had the Range Rover Velar in the P case. Then check this out. This is a brand new. Look at this. This is smoking. This is out of control. This Q case might be the best case we've had for this year. Look at that. Jaguar XE SV Project 8. Boom. That is nice. 2 of those in this particular case code. Then we're down to the last 3 of the box. Get rid of that. Oh. Chevy Silverado recolor. Got like some graffiti on it. We've got a red Mazda MX-5 Miata recolor. Oh, here we go. Last car in the case. Another orange Jaguar XJ220. That's pretty sweet, guys. Wow. Q case was awesome. Look at all those brand new, super cool models there. As always, thank you for joining us. We hope you're having as much fun with collecting diecast as we are. All of the P and Q case that I've been showing you tonight will be listed here in the next several hours. You know what? We haven't done a giveaway in a week or so. We're going to give away the Super Porsche that was in this case. Look at that. It's got a little dust or something on the front. I can't tell what that is. Hey, dude, I'm going to give away the Porsche on the video.
Oh, no, my Porsche?
Yeah. All right. Comment, subscribe. I'm going to give that away as one of our giveaways.
I'm commenting now.
Thanks, guys. It's been a good day here. Hope you guys are having a good one, too. Thank you. Bye.